This is a dupe for the Tower lip gloss. This one for sure reminds me of the Dior. Oh, wait, they have more of the Be Pure pads. Okay, Maybelline Lifter Gloss dupe. Or you guys need to come and get some of this.
Hey, it's me.
Everyone, it's me, Sadrina, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's video, please make sure to give it a like, comment down below, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And now let's head into the store. Let's see all the dupes they have at Dollar Tree. Let's go into Dollar Tree. First of all, this is a huge Dollar Tree. You can barely tell, but it's pretty big. What the heck? Okay, there has to be good stuff here then. Ooh. Okay, I'm in the pad section, and guys, Be Pure is doing their thing with these dupes, okay? These are the Be Pure Super Pads with organic cotton. These are a dupe for the Honey Pot pads. You guys know that Honey Pot pads, they're good, but they're a little pricey. So the fact that you can get an 8 count of pads here that are organic, oh my goodness, for $125, guys, this is crazy. I think they have another thing by Be Pure. I just can't find them. This is the only one I could find. Maybe they have tampons, but I'm not sure. But that's really cool. It seems like people have been buying them because they're not fully stocked up, but you can definitely tell that's a dupe for the Honey Pot pads because of the packaging. It looks so similar, even down to the color. Also, hopefully I can put all the things that these are dupes of on the screen so you guys can compare them with how they look and know what the actual name brands are. Another Be Pure dupe, they have a gentle skin cleanser and moisturizing lotion. I want you guys to guess in the comments right now what you think this is a dupe for. Let's see if you get it right. Literally, this is a dupe for the Cetaphil skin cleanser and moisturizer. Could also be for CeraVe, but mainly Cetaphil. This is just blowing my mind. All for $125. Each of them for $125, I should say. And you get 8 fluid ounces. That's pretty good, especially for Dollar Tree. Kind of aesthetic, cute. By the way, I'm in the like health and beauty aisle. If you guys want to know where you can find these. This is where the moisturizer was, and that's where the cleanser was. Okay, witch hazel. Not the witch hazel here, guys. Witch hazel is good for your face. It's like a toner, basically. And it's supposed to clean your skin off more than a cleanser would do, take out all the extra dirt, and also smoothen your skin. I saw someone say that this Kissable Oatmeal Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion is a dupe for the Aveeno lotion, and that is good for eczema. And guys, all of a sudden I developed eczema on my face, and it's been a struggle because it's like dry and itchy, irritating. So would this help? Oatmeal, it is good for your skin, nourishes dry skin, and is fragrance free. I might take this into consideration the next time I come. But this is the only one I found. So does that mean it's really good and everyone's getting it? Could be. You guys let me know if you've tried any of these dupes because I want to know if they're good or not. There's some more Be Pure products here. What is this? There's this Be Pure Hydrating Gel Cream. I don't know if this is for your under eyes, but it has hyaluronic acid. I feel like this could be a dupe for e.l.f.'s skin products because it kind of has the same look, same color scheme. But I'm not fully sure. You guys let me know. Oh wait, help. It literally says it right here, compared to Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Okay, well, there you go. They also have this hydrating hand gel cream. Okay, so this is a Neutrogena dupe. It's the way they don't even care to show that they're a dupe. It's kind of funny. They're not ashamed of it, and I love that. Be Pure is just taking over the skincare, self-care, makeup in Dollar Tree. Because what the heck? Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, collagen. Guys, Be Pure is being pure. No, let me stop. You guys need to come and get some of this. Be Pure, if you see this, sponsor me. Okay, guys, I told you there's even Be Pure in the beauty makeup section. These two blushes, I heard that these are dupes for the Dior blushes. This is in Just Peachy and Poppy Pink. What do you guys think? Could this be a dupe? Kind of. It looks really cute, actually. For some reason, I like the aesthetic of them. This one for sure reminds me of the Dior. Look at that. The Poppy Pink. What the heck? Hydrating primer serum infused with rose oil. Okay. I mean, there's so many serums out there. I can't really say what this is a dupe for. But this is actually interesting. I didn't know they had this. Ooh. All right, you got a pretty good amount in here too. It doesn't say what it's like imitating or what you can compare it to, but that's nice. Maybe if I could find the actual brand, I'll let you guys know. But let's see, what else do they have? Okay guys, I don't know what Be Pure is doing, but now they have Be Color. It's the same brand, but I guess this is for more of their lip products. So this lip gloss is super cute. First of all, they have it in strawberry, mixed berry. This is just so adorable. It reminds me of strawberry shortcake. I want to say that this is a dupe for the Tower lip gloss, but I saw there's another brand at Dollar Tree that's more of a dupe. I just can't find it. That's the issue. So we might have to settle for this, or maybe I'll go to another Dollar Tree and see if they have the actual Tower dupe. But this is close enough. This is so cute. And then over here, they have these tube lip glosses. This reminds me of the clear lip glosses that you find at like a beauty store. You know those hair beauty stores? They always have lip gloss like this. Those are cheap to begin with, but if you don't have a beauty supply store next to you and you have a Dollar Tree, then you can get this instead. See, I wonder why they call this Be Pure, but then that one Be Color. What's going on? Anyway, this is a floral lip gloss. This is a dupe for the Blossom lip oil or lip gloss. That one is only like $8, but still, you're paying $1.25 versus $8. That's a steal, guys. That's nice. And it has actual little flowers in it. How cute. These have different scents here too, like green apple. This is grape. And then the cherry one that I showed you guys. I think that's it. Floral lip gloss part 2, but this one is in a squeezy tube and has different flowers in it. All about preference. I don't know if you guys remember the drying lotions I've been showing you guys, but I have one that's from Sephora, and there's also another popular one by Mario Badescu. But help, I didn't know they had it at Dollar Tree. So fresh, so clean. They have a drying lotion. These drying lotions are so good for acne. Like if you have a pimple, you can literally get rid of it with this. I don't know if they put enough though. It looks like it could be more full. But for $1.25, this is pretty good. Okay, Jade facial roller. I didn't know they had this here. And usually these are pricey, so the fact that it's at Dollar Tree is a win. And it probably works the same. Okay guys, I was looking for this for so long, but I finally found it. It's just that it's in a closed off packaging. It's not clear. But this is the Be Pure Infused Pressed Face Powder. I heard that this is a dupe for the, I believe it's Fenty, the Fenty matte powder. And it's literally just supposed to dry off all the oil, keep your makeup looking nice, dry, and matte. Okay? Don't even come after me about this, guys, because you're gonna be like, oh, she opened it. This thing was basically already open when I found it, and I'm not touching the actual makeup. But that's what it looks like. It's just like a white powder, but I heard that it's supposed to be really good. Might be worth a try. I haven't tried the Fenty one, and you know, I love Rihanna, gotta support her, but if you can't afford it and you want something very similar, this Be Pure is right here at Dollar Tree.
And they have quite a lot of them.
Yeah, they're stocked up. Okay, I just came to another Dollar Tree and I'm already finding some new things that I didn't even know they had here. Okay, Maybelline Lifter Gloss dupe, or I should say also Fenty dupe. But this literally looks so similar. I know you guys know what I'm talking about, and they have these in so many different shades. This one over here is pretty. It's like a nude pinkish brown and then a brighter, hotter pink. All right. They also have lipstick versions. Okay. Nude lipsticks. I love these shades. They're so pretty. Oh, look at this LA Colors Cheeky and Peach. This is so cute. Cheek plus lip glitter balm. Oh, Peach. This is so cute. Oh, wait, they have more of the Be Pure pads. Okay, they're a lot more stocked up. These are the ones that I showed you guys already, but they have other ones over here. Oh, I see. These ones are liners, okay? 18 liners. Oh, are you serious? I might need to get this one day when I need liners. 18 of them for $1.25 and they're organic. Wow. Okay. That is definitely such a good deal. Yeah, I'm glad we found them though. They're super stocked up here. They have a lot more claw clips here. Look at this. Okay, you got the basic black and white and then the colorful ones. I like these ones more up here. Aww. This is giving ballerina. This is so cute. More designs down here. It just gets nicer and nicer the more I look. So many different designs.